Welcome to this video, guys. So this video is going to be quite different from the videos I do upload on this channel. So we just hit 6,000 subscribers and I just want to take my time to thank all of you for all the support. It's been 11 months since I started uploading videos on this channel. It's almost a year now, and I just want to say thank you to all of you out there who are always watching my videos, liking and dropping a comment. I mean, this channel won't be possible without every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I also want to tell you that I just launched my Discord server. So keeping up with the comments on YouTube is quite difficult because there's a lot of comments and sometimes YouTube don't allow us to say some things in the comment section. So if you have any problem or you need help with anything, you can just join the Discord server and say it in the Discord server, then I or any other person there can help you. And you can also showcase project, give me videos ideas, and we can also do weekly community calls where I'll be speaking to any one of you. So it's gonna be fun, and if you want to join, the link will be in the description below. So having all this said, thank you so much guys once again for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.